one important topic of mathematics. It can be used in our daily life also. Let's see what's the topic. And the name of the topic is probability. Probability. Okay, that's the topic. The common saying about the probability is that probability refers to the possibility. That is, probability is nothing but possibility. Okay, fine. Have you played Ludo? Ludo ever? There is a dice, and you don't know about what the number will come up on your dice. Okay, then we will find the probability that you will get a 6 or get a 1 or get a 2, get a 3 or whatever number you want. We will find the probability, means what is the possibility that you will get the desired number on your dice. Okay, similarly, have you watched cricket ever? If you watch the cricket, there is a provision of toss. The coin is tossed in the air, and you will win or lose toss. If you have called tail and it comes up the tail, then you will win the toss. Okay, but you don't know what will come up, but there is a possibility that either tail or head will come. Okay, we will see today that how we can find the probability of getting an event, either head or tail. Okay, let's see. Let's first talk about a coin. Okay, you have tossed a coin. There is a coin. Okay, this is head, this is tail. Okay, I have made two another pictures of the same coin. Don't confuse. You have tossed a coin. The coin comes up with head. Okay, then what is the probability of getting head? What the probability that head will come up? Let's see. There are, first we will uh, see the formula of probability. What is the formula of probability? Number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. Let's assume you have called head. Okay, head means you are calling one of the outcomes. Okay, there is one outcome you have called for. You cannot call for head and tail both. Okay, if you are telling head and tail both, then your outcome will be two. Sorry, your favorable outcomes will be two, but you have called for head only, then it will count it as one. Okay, then we will get the total outcomes. What are the possible total outcomes? That either head or tail will appear. We will not consider that silly trick that might coin get lost or something else. You can assume whatever. Let's let's find. Then there are two possibilities. Okay, let's find out the probability. Okay, probability. Favorable outcomes are one. We've called for head. Okay, total outcomes are two. Then we can say that the total probability of getting a head on a coin when it is tossed, or the probability of winning a toss by you, is 1 by 2 if you have called for head. Similarly, it will come up to 1 by 2 for tails also, but we are talking about head only. Okay, this is the total scenario. Now we will discuss it in other aspect also. Let's take another example. Let's assume there is a bag. Okay, this is a bag. There are 6 balls in it. 6 balls. Which of them are 4 are black, 2 are red. Okay, and you are asked to pick one ball from the bag without seeing it. Okay, you don't know which ball will come up, either red or black, but it is asked that what is the probability that you will get a red ball in your hand. Let's find out the probability. According to this formula, we can see what are favorable outcomes. There are two favorable outcomes, means there are two chances that you get a red ball in your hand. Okay, what are the total outcomes? Total 6 balls are there. You can either get a black ball, either get a or get a red ball, but you don't know what you will get. Okay, then we will count 6 as the total outcome. 6, 1, 3. Okay, then 1 by 3 is the possibility of appearing a red ball in your hand if you pick it without seeing. This is the probability, and this is whole the scenario of probability. We can now rebifurcate it into different categories like conditional probability and many more. But it will not in it is not in your syllabus. It will appear in later on, either in class 11th or 12th if you go for a science stream. Okay, thank you, and I have a homework for you. Let's find what is the probability. What is the probability of getting a 1 on unbiased dice? Okay, what is the probability of getting a 1 on unbiased dice? Means the dice is not tricked. The dice is good and working well, and there is equal probability of coming any of the sides. Then there is no trick in it. Okay, then you will find the answer and tell me tomorrow. Okay, bye. Thank you.